decided to make me a video about this glass cooktop cleaner and polisher, right? You can see the top of this, right? It's always had trouble just getting it clean. I'm just gonna wipe it off. I used this already before, but we're gonna just do a little sample on here because I got something else I want to try today with this because of how well it works. So and you can see it don't look bad, but you got this right here. So we're gonna take this and show how it works on the stove, and then we're gonna do something with it on the car. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go make a circle out depending on how big the eye is. Right. Probably don't need that much, but that's what I want to do. And the kit come with this cleaner, right? And you got some extra pads. I bought 2 kits, so I'm gonna rinse this off. Pretty good. So here we go. We're gonna go like this, like a typical, like you would wax a car. Do a little, you know, wax on, wax off, the Mr. Miyagi method. And then we're gonna hashtag it. We're gonna do the hashtag method. It's a lot. You don't need this much. Hashtag meaning go side to side. Oh yeah, that's too much. It's off. Then go this way. Man, yeah, that's too much right there. This off. I don't like how I did this, so don't need that much. It's all splashing up. That's pretty much it, man. We just go right. Let's see. You see, come out pretty good. So because of that, I got the bright idea to, I didn't want to use the one that I used on the stove. on the car. So I just got this one. Just opened it up. And I want to use it to clean this. See how them headlights is. I'm gonna clean my headlights with it. See what happens. Damn, wait a minute. Sun that came out. I use this to wipe it off. Set this down right here. Oh, sun was not out. Now it is. All right, let's see what. Right up in line. Spread it. Here we go. Ain't looking good. Got some water. There's a little water on it. Okay, that's terrible. It's fogging all up. Yeah, so now that didn't work. So now gotta go buy the kit to clean the headlights. I'm gonna do it anyway, so try that. Let's see how that worked. Didn't work. So don't do this at home. All right, so well, it fogged all up, so time to go to the parts store. I got the box in the garage. This is what I'm going to go get. And in the box, got these pads. Let's see. Yeah, so I think you put that on and do the same thing. I gotta check the directions, but I did it once and I liked it. It worked. But this damn kit like $37. Let's see here. Oxidation remover, sanding if you want to sand, and then you coat it. So let's see. Okay, I just went and bought the a fresh kit, so grit. When I get to the sand, I did this last time, first time. I didn't, I was scared to sand it and all that. I don't want to mess with my hair like that. We're gonna do the whole thing this time. So watch the video. There's one for each side. I think so. I got a couple of them, but let me see. So one there. Yeah, okay, so. Supposed to rub this to get the oxidation off. It's got more oxidation because I put that damn cleaner on there, but. These ain't severely oxidated, so what I was seeing him do, I ain't seeing. You know, far as the oxidation turning this thing yellow. I'm gonna hit this other light over here with this sand. That one already look clear. This one, that one over there. You have to look at it. Look at this one. It still got a fog on it right there. It's not as clean as this one. So that made me think it did do something, huh? That little wax. Okay, so I started doing this without recording, and I could see the white. Well, I should have recorded how it dried. I shouldn't have did that. I didn't. When I do the other one, you'll see, but you can see this white. You can see it coming off the whiteness. Fog, the initial fog on the light. It's 1,000 Griot sandpaper here. Real fine. Let's say you're supposed to do this until you really don't see no more white. Still some white. And see the white right there. Oh, it's soaking up in white. fogging up, but that's what's gonna happen until you put that coat on there. See right here, it's fogging up. We'll go through the sandpaper. It's 2,000, 3,000. 2,000, 3,000. 1,000. Go up to 2,000. I didn't do this last time, so it's all new to me. 1,000 real thin. See all this soapy looking stuff? I think that's what you want to get off there. I guess that's what the goal is. To do it and don't see it. See this very soapy right there. That's what you're trying to get out of there. Make sure. These ain't real bad, you know what I'm saying, like super bad, you know. Oxidized light, so I'm just gonna go through the steps and let it dry. Just put the coat on there and see what I see. I'm gonna let it dry and did all the steps. Now, only one thing left to do. The ceramic coat. Peel it, open it, wipe it. It's dry, less cloudy. See what happens. That's it. Went all over it. All the edges. We just supposed to let it dry on here. No, that's supposed to be it. Gotta do the other headlight, but that's supposed to be it. Sanded it. It's supposed to stay like that. How the other one look? I ain't do it yet. It's still cloudy. That one done. I'll come back in a few minutes and see what it look like. Let me go and do this one. You can see the white come off of it. sand this one down. Start with the 1,000 and work my way up. Well, I'll let it dry and come back. Hope that ceramic do what it do. See what this one look like. Still looking clear, don't. But it's got to dry. I mean, it should be dry to the touch, but I say wait an hour or so, and I'll come back out to do that. You see that corner right there. You see that right there? You'll see. It's been long enough. And I guess it's official. Look, it's clean. Now I'm about to hit this one off with the ceramic. The haze on it. Put the ceramic on there and cobble it. This shot. Now they say use one for each one, but these lights ain't dirty, so it ain't dried all down. Drop right here. Gotta be dry. I need to wait. Now I need to wait till it's dry. Wait till it's dry. Wait till it's dry. Wait till it's dry, and ain't dry. Wait till it's dry. It look dry. This has to look good. Hit it with the ceramic. Try to use the same one. Maybe dry it out on me. Feels like it ain't, but flip it like this. This thing drying out. Let's see. See how it works. There's something there. Don't worry about all that on the outside. You don't see what it do. So I'm gonna use one ceramic, one oxidation. And we're gonna see what it do. This side is looking like this. And that side looking like that. So back it up a little. So yeah, I guess that's it, man, for this. Where my clay bar? I might take my clay bar, right, and clay bar my glass. Cause I don't know if you can see it on here, but there's all kind of dirt on that glass, man. It's just caked up. See that? It's good and dirty. Do all the glass with the clay bar. Take some soap, water, and clay bar all the glass. And get it clean. But yeah, this video though was about this though. Get them headlights right. Yeah. I'm gonna pull it out and back it up and see. Light. Let's see. Look at the light. That's nice and clean look. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah. Nice and clean. Griots, right? Go to the store, that's what you want.